Okay, if you have the Epos Impact 1000 series headset and you're trying to do some troubleshooting because something's not working right, a factory reset is a good place to start. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. Type Epos Connect into Google, go to Epos's website, and depending what operating system you have, you're going to download for Windows, Mac, or your mobile phone. I personally have Windows. Once downloaded, open up Epos Connect, and this is what it looks like. You'll click into the headset. Before you do that, I'd like to mention, make sure that you connect with the USB dongle or the charge cord. That way you can actually go through this factory reset process. And just in general, don't connect the headset to your computer with Bluetooth because it causes a number of unwanted issues. And for example, if you connect it with Bluetooth, you wouldn't be able to even do this process. So scroll down. And once I did this before, when I reset it, it didn't seem like it reset, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to turn this setting off, so that way we know that it actually does reset to its default settings. I click factory reset. Now, once you get to this screen, it seems like you want to click restore settings to finalize it, but it's actually already factory reset. So the interface isn't the best on this step here, but go back home, and then you'll click back into the headset, and you'll see the setting change back to the factory default. So start there. If that doesn't help, drop us your questions in the comments or what issue that you're facing, and we'll answer back to try to get your headset working properly. And just as a footnote, if you didn't already know, Headset Advisor now ships international to over 100+ countries. So visit the link in the description or in the comments, and you'll see the list of eligible products.